Welcome to a journey of transformation. In this video, we're going to explore the key principles of self-development. Are you ready? Let's do this. So what exactly is self-development? Is it just a buzzword or something more profound? It's the conscious pursuit of personal growth through activities that improve your awareness, skills, and mindset, and overall quality of life. It's about becoming more in tune with who you are and what you want to achieve. Think of it like this. It's a journey, not a destination. You are a work in progress, constantly evolving and growing, a masterpiece in the making. Self-development is the paintbrush, the chisel, the melody, the instrument you use to shape and refine yourself into the best version you can be. It's about setting goals and working towards them. This isn't about impressing your friends or fitting into some mold society has created. It's about finding your own path and walking it with confidence and purpose. This is about you showing up for yourself, investing in yourself, and taking the time to understand your own needs and desires, and becoming the person you were always meant to be. It's about celebrating your achievements, no matter how small. We all have this incredible potential within us. Sometimes it just takes a bit of effort to unlock it. Self-development is about breaking free from routines, limiting beliefs, and the constraints that hold us back, and the fear of what others might think. It's about embracing your true self and not being afraid to show it. It's about taking control of your thoughts, your actions, and ultimately your destiny. The journey of self-development is ongoing, and it's one of the most rewarding paths you can take. The first step in self-development is shifting your mindset. It's about recognizing that growth begins in the mind. A lot of us get stuck in a fixed mindset, believing our intelligence and abilities are set in stone. But that's simply not true. Your brain is wired for growth, learning, and adaptation. Embrace a growth mindset, the belief that your abilities can be developed through dedication, effort, and learning. See challenges as opportunities for growth. Start by becoming aware of your self-talk. Flip the script and start affirming your potential. Tell yourself, I am capable of growth. I am a work in progress, and I am committed to becoming the best version of myself. Now, let's talk about goals. Without clear goals, self-development becomes like a ship without a rudder. Goals give you something to strive for, a roadmap to follow on your journey of self-improvement. To truly ignite your motivation, set goals that matter to you. What are your deepest desires? What makes you feel truly alive? Once you've tapped into your why, make those goals concrete using the SMART framework. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A specific goal is clearly defined. Measurable means you can track your progress. Achievable means it's realistic and within your reach. Setting SMART goals provides clarity, focus, and a sense of urgency. Now let's talk about habits and how they can transform your life. Habits are the building blocks of self-development. They are the foundation upon which we build our lives. They are the small, consistent actions you take every day that ultimately shape your life. Whether it's a morning routine or a nightly ritual, these habits define us. If you want to get in shape, you build the habit of exercising regularly and making healthier food choices. It's about making small, sustainable changes. If you want to write a book, you cultivate the habit of writing every single day. Even if it's just a few sentences, consistency is what matters. Building better habits doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small. Focus on one tiny action at a time. James Clear calls this the 1% rule. Aim to improve by just 1% every day. Over time, these small improvements compound. Identify one small habit you want to develop and focus on that. It could be as simple as drinking a glass of water in the morning. Make it so easy you can't say no. The simpler the habit, the more likely you are to stick with it. Track your progress using a habit tracker, an app, or simply mark it on your calendar. Consistency is key. Seeing your progress can be incredibly motivating. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a day or two. It's normal to have setbacks. Get back on track as soon as possible. The important thing is to keep moving forward. Celebrate your wins along the way, recognize your progress, and reward yourself for the effort. Now let's be real for a second. Self-development isn't always sunshine and rainbows. There will be bumps along the road. You'll face challenges, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt. The key is to develop resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity. Resilience isn't about avoiding failure, it's about learning to navigate challenges and using them as fuel for growth. When you encounter an obstacle, ask yourself, What can I learn from this? How can I use this experience to grow? Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek guidance from mentors. Embrace the obstacles, learn from them, and keep moving forward with unwavering determination. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This means that the company you keep can either elevate you or hold you back. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Their attitudes and behaviors can shape your mindset and influence your decisions. If you're surrounded by negativity, you're more likely to adopt those patterns. Negative energy can drain your motivation and stifle your growth. But if you surround yourself with positive, supportive, and growth-minded individuals, their energy becomes contagious. Their enthusiasm and encouragement can propel you forward. Start by becoming aware of the energy you're allowing into your life. Reflect on your current relationships and their impact on your well-being. Set boundaries with people who drain your energy or discourage your dreams. It's essential to protect your mental and emotional health. Actively seek out positive influences. Engage with people who inspire you and challenge you to grow. Join groups or communities that align with your interests. These environments can provide support and motivation. Connect with mentors who inspire you. Their guidance can be invaluable in your personal and professional development. If you can't find them in person, turn to books, podcasts, and online communities. These resources can offer wisdom and encouragement from afar. As we near the end of this journey, there's one final crucial element of self-development: the power of reflection. In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day grind, but reflection is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Schedule dedicated time for reflection. During your reflection time, ask yourself powerful questions. Well, what did I learn this week? What challenges did I face, and how did I overcome them? What am I most proud of? What can I do differently next time? Journaling can be an incredibly powerful tool for self-reflection. Self-development is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing the process and becoming better each day. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, you have the power to change your life. If you found this video helpful, give a like, share it with someone who needs a little inspiration, and subscribe for more. Let's grow together. Fade to black with the text. Unlock your potential. Start today.